Your journey begins in southern England, 1944. You are with the 146th Engineer Combat Battalion, men tasked with one of the most dangerous jobs of the invasion, clearing obstacles and mines on Omaha Beach. In D-DEX, you join them aboard a landing craft. The rumble of engines, the nervous glances of soldiers around you. It feels as though you were there. Then, the ramp falls. The chaos of D-Day surrounds you. Explosions, machine gun fire, shouts in the distance. Every detail of the beach has been rebuilt. The German bunkers, the steel obstacles, the sand and smoke. You don't just watch history, you move through it. You crawl through the battlefield. You enter a German bunker. Look through the narrow slits that once guarded the coast. The determination of soldiers pushing forward despite impossible odds. D-DEX lets you feel the urgency of that day in a way no book or film can. The experience ends in silence, a space to reflect on the enormous sacrifices of D-Day. More than 4,000 Allied soldiers died on that single day. D-DEX transforms the way we remember. It is not about dates or maps alone. It is about standing where they stood, hearing what they heard, and feeling, for a moment, the weight of their choices. Here, in Overloon, history is not distant. Through D-DEX, you step into the footsteps of those who fought for freedom, so that we can walk in peace today.